Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been active. A lot's been going on, but I'll do a separate video on that and have everyone updated on my life. But this video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, showing off Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection. This is a big, ginormous ass box, guys. Like, this takes up so much fucking room. I want to open the box and show you guys like how amazing this really is. I haven't used anything yet. I got this as a present from my fiance. Holy shit. Looks like it has like this little pop-up. The house. It comes with 2 palettes, 2 graphic liners, 1 eye paint, I think it's called, a mascara, eyelash curler, 3 liquid lipsticks, and 3 bullet lipsticks. And then I'm honestly obsessed with this whole thing, and I can't wait to play with all of the stuff in here. So if you guys are interested in seeing me unbox everything and do some swatches, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show is the palettes. I saw these color stories on Instagram and I was like instantly in love with them. Both of them are so unique, and there's 2 palettes. One of them is the recently deceased one, and one of them is the waiting room one. When we open it up, big full mirror and a little card with part of the movie in it, and that comes out just protecting the shadows. So as you can see, there's a bunch of purple and green tones, and I love everything about this. These are definitely all of my colors. Cute, and look at the background. I'm obsessed. And like you can see the little imprints in the shadows. It's perfect. I love it. So this one is a little bit more of a neutral one, but it's still pretty colorful. It has a bunch of like dark berry tones and reds and grays and blacks, so that looks really freaking cute. I'm gonna swatch these. Beetlejuice. This is chartreuse. That's really pigmented. It's such a cute shade. I don't have like any eyeshadows that have that color. Let's see, I'm gonna do one of the purples, Lost Souls. That is so freaking pigmented and pretty. Those are cute together. I definitely need to make a look with those too. Waiting room palettes. I'm gonna do Obituary. It's like a dark, like a brick crimson red. The shade Tombstone is a really cute gray color. Really freaking pretty. All of these shadows are so freaking pigmented and like gorgeous, and I cannot wait to play with both of these. I'm not a big liner person. I've done like a few looks with like liner. I'm still getting the hang of getting it really precise and sharp looking, so it doesn't. Now we have the liners that the collection came with. 1 pigment paint and then 2 of the graphic liners. So I'll open these up. This first one is called the Afterlife, and this is a really pretty chartreuse color. I think that's stunning. That's gonna look so cute on the eyes. I can't wait to use that one. Next one is the gray one called 125 Years. This is just a regular soft lighter gray. It's gonna be interesting to use that with a cool smoky look as well. And the last one is actually a pigment paint. It's not considered a liner, but I probably will just end up using it as a liner. This one is in the shade Utterly Alone, and this is a really beautiful purple color. I absolutely love that. Obviously, I love purple. I'm going to swatch the lip paints. This is in the shade Weirder and Weirder, and it looks really dark, plum, glittery, which is so freaking cute. This is so perfect. I'm obsessed. And this one's called It's Showtime. It's like a bright fuchsia, berry, like magenta color. That is blinding and gorgeous, and I love that. The last one is Strange and Unusual. Kind of a red tint to it. Really pretty. That's more of a hot pink, actually. All 3 of these are so freaking cute. I've never tried Melt's mascara, but this actually feels really luxurious. Nice weight to it. Little sandworm across the design, if you can see. And then it says Beetlejuice. It's just black mascara with a little hourglass shaped wand. It's just mascara. And then it came with a nice little eyelash curler. We got the beautiful, cute little mirror. It's black and it has the little girl dancing around it. Love it. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. They're all eye brushes. Haven't tried Melt's brushes. I can't get them out right now. Now I can. They're black and white at the top. It has a cute little design at the bottom. These feel really nice. I'm really obsessed with them. Can never have too many brushes. All right. Faux leather. It says Melt right here and has the sandworm, the signature stripes. Just a little bag. Perfect to put these brushes in or just travel with. But it's really cute. So that was the whole freaking collection. I'm obsessed with all of this and I can't wait to play with everything. A first impressions and tutorial using the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice palette. This is the recently deceased one, and the collection came with 2 palettes. I think they're $58 each for the individual purchase on their website. This is what it looks like on the inside. Sorry. Don't want to blind you guys with the mirror. That's what it looks like. It's such a beautiful, really unique, fun, spooky, great color story. I'm obsessed with it, so I'm really excited. All right, so I'm going to go in with this shade Beetlejuice right here. I'm going to just stick that all over my crease, and I'm going to be using the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice brushes that also came with the collection. They're super cute. I'm obsessed. They just feel really nice and luxurious. Let's see. I'm going to go in with the big fluffy blending brush. Go in with the shade Beetlejuice. Really freaking pigmented. Put that all over my crease. These brushes are so freaking soft. I hope Melt just keeps making more brushes because they're actually very nice. They feel so good and they blend everything out so well. It's a beautiful color. I don't have any eyeshadows that are this color in my collection. Put a little more over here. Alright, so that is so bright and blinding and beautiful. I'm obsessed with that color. I'm going to put the shade Neurotic, which is that pretty golden olivey shimmer. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I don't know, I think I wanna, yeah. I was debating whether I want to use a brush on my finger or not. I'm just gonna use the flat brush. I think I'm gonna try using my finger only because the brush is a little small. It takes a while. Yes. It looks so cute. I love it. I'm going to put that shade Bio Exorcist on my lower lash line, which is that lighter purple shade right here at the bottom. I'm gonna use the really short little smudging brush, which is like perfect little lower lash line. That looks so cool, guys. Alright. I want to use shimmer, so I'm going to use recently the C's and put that in my inner corner. Might want to blend that out a little bit. That's looking really cool, guys. I want to use one of the liners as well on this look. Please go easy on me because I'm really not used to using liners. But I'm going to use the purple one. I'm going in with a small little angled brush. This is just a random BH Cosmetics little brush. I'm gonna try, and I repeat, try to do this. I'm so nervous for it to just go south so quickly. If I ruin this look, I'm gonna cry. That doesn't look too bad, guys. All right. Give myself like a B+, B-. Let's see if I can do the other one. That's the real test. Doesn't look too bad. It's a beautiful color. It's not bad. It's just me. I need to work on my liner skills, but honestly this looks really freaking cute. I can't wait to see how this all comes together at the end. Honestly, this wasn't too bad to work with. It is something that if you're a beginner with makeup I wouldn't recommend starting out with, but since I'm kind of intermediate at this point, I'm gonna try to work on my liner skills. Let's see, I am going to pop on my lashes and mascara, and then I'll be back to choose the lip and create the final look. All right guys, I'm back. I have my lashes and mascara and liner on, the Melt mascara, and my lashes are from Hell Bites Beauty in Goth Girlfriend. I'm going to be using the lip paint for finishing up the look. It's that weirder and weirder shade, that dark purple. I'm literally obsessed. I have to try this. It smells like vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, this freaking shade, man. This topped the look completely. This look is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with everything I have tried. I'm really excited to also play with the other palette, the waiting room palette, in my next video. This is my first impressions final look with the recently deceased palette from the collection, and I'm just obsessed honestly with how cute this look turned out, and colorful and pretty and grungy. I'm honestly obsessed and I want to take this off. I can't wait to play with this palette even more. This is my favorite collection and my favorite makeup of the year, for real, honestly. But I'm so glad that you guys have stuck around and watched my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a good weekend.